Switching gears.
Please.
Listen to this. According to one study conducted in 2020, the official day for calling it quits on our New Year's resolutions is February 1st. I'm assuming those are all fitness related.
100%.
But that doesn't have to be you. No, no, no.
No, it does
we do
not.
some hard stuff here when it comes to Wellness Wednesday in our workout segments. But
That's right.
you know what? We're going to switch it up a little bit today.
You know what? Let's take it down.
Yeah,
okay?
that guy's working out in trousers.
When it comes
Look at
to
that.
your fitness goals, there's a way to stay on track even on days when it takes a bit more effort to stay motivated.
We all have those days.
100%.
So joining us this morning to show us a lazy girl workout by popular demand apparently is Tonal Fitness instructor Tanysha Smith. Welcome to New York Living, darling.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
Now listen, we would like to go on record
She asked
as
us
saying
too. She was
the
like,
three
"Are
of
you guys
us,
lazy
I
girls?"
did.
we do very strenuous workouts.
I don't look like that, but I work out hard.
Neither do I. So, be that as it may, what exactly is the Lazy Girl workout?
The Lazy Girl workout is really a low impact workout. It's
Okay.
usually under 15 minutes. I mean, sometimes people are doing it in the bed, they're doing it on the floor, but essentially it is, you can do it anywhere. Very little equipment, if any at all. And so we're gonna do a little bit of that today.
Okay.
Keep it kind of lazy.
Listen, fine.
Yeah.
I'm all for switching it up a little. We shared a statistic at the beginning about quitting
yeah.
resolutions. So what advice do you have as a fitness professional to keep people on track and motivated to not quit those fitness goals?
Honestly, I mean, because we've all been there at some point, whether
Yeah.
you're coming back from an injury or maybe you're just kind of like trying to stay on track. Buddy up
Yes.
is one thing. Accountability partner is always, I'm like, sometimes I text my friends and I'm like, I'm going to the gym at this time. I'm going to
Yeah.
use my tonal on this
Thank
day at
you.
this time
I
with
do
this
the same thing
program.
every day.
And
And
let's
then
do
the
it.
other thing I would definitely say is the workout or any kind of movement that you love to do, you'll do it repeatedly.
Do that
so if
one.
you're trying to
If
do
you like it.
something that's popular or something that everyone else is doing, you might not stick
Yeah.
with it. But if you stick with something you love, if you love to dance, if you love to take long walks, I use my long walks to like call my grandma, you know, and like,
sweet.
and all my
That's
friends that I'm like, oh man, I really need to
Yeah.
catch up with so and so. So I'll do like an hour walk.
Yeah.
And
And
it's
before
really
you know,
good.
you've gone 5 miles.
That's
Exactly,
right, and
exactly.
we are making fun of producer Brittany for this Lazy Girl workout, but the most important thing is, and this is a shout out to you, Brittany, just move.
Just move
Just
your body.
move. Just move.
Move. You don't have to break out a sweat every time.
We've assumed good
you
formation.
exercise. All right, what are we doing?
Let's go
here,
through a
lady?
dead bug first.
All right, let's go ahead and bring our bodies down onto the ground. So we're actually gonna bring the hips down and you're gonna lie down on your back. So the first thing I want you to do,
I already like this.
I already
this
like
one.
it, right? We're assuming the position. Knees are gonna come over the hips, hands can extend up. Now, you've got two options. Either you can move your arms and legs at the same time, so opposite arm to opposite leg, or if you're like, T, I'm in the bed, can't do that, then you can just move one leg at a time, keeping the arms lifted. So we love a good options moment, right? That's all it is.
This
A lot
also
of
works
those
your
things.
brain.
Yes. So you're gonna work your low back, keep your
Okay,
low back
Dr.
close
Lander.
to the ground. You're also gonna work the core heavily on this one and the hip flexors.
yeah.
We got a little mobility through the shoulder.
Okay,
So
all
we'll
right.
stay here for about 30 seconds.
All right,
And
the
then what's
magic
the
of
next
television.
one? 30 seconds has gone by. What's the
Right.
glute bridge?
And let's go ahead and get into the glute bridge. So if you're at home, I want you to do this one with us. Come down onto
Please.
the ground.
Yes.
Feet are flat on the ground. And then we're just gonna press the feet into the ground, lift the hips up.
Ooh.
Now, sometimes more is not more, right? So keep your head on
Oh,
the
I like
ground.
that.
Keep the shoulders on the ground. We like to say sometimes we're doing the most, right? But sometimes we need to just do
we
enough.
squeeze at the top?
You can squeeze at the top, really engaging the glutes and also working into the hamstrings. But I really don't want you to dip too far into the low back. So
Sure.
stay in that range of motion. Keep the back steady, lift
Beautiful.
up.
Great.
Let's go ahead. Last one.
Yeah.
And drop the hips down. All right. We're
Hit
gonna
us
move
with a
into
clamshell, T.
Clamshells. You want to go right or you want to go left?
Let's go right.
Okay, let's roll
Sorry,
to the
Molly.
right side.
Boo.
That's the good side.
lefty
All right,
right
we're
there.
gonna stack the knees on top of each other now. I like to do this one with my elbow lifted, but you also, you know, if you're feeling real lazy on this
I'm
one,
gonna
you might
laugh.
I'm gonna
elbows
go with the
down
lazy
on the
girl
ground.
theme.
But from here, your knees stack on top of each other, body stays on the ground, and just go ahead and lift that top leg
yeah.
up. So we're gonna work that outer glute, but also that inner thigh.
Yep, we
Right
sure
here.
are.
That's it.
This is.
I can see
This is
producer
a
Britt
fan
doing this at
favorite.
home.
Don't sleep on 30
Binging Outer
seconds
Banks
of work.
in her bed.
Now, if you wanted to make this less lazy.
You want to roll over to the other
You
side?
could put a band here.
You could.
Oh, you could.
I only know this because
Band
this is
around the
physical. This was
knees.
physical therapy for me.
Yes.
And
Wait.
let me tell you something. You put a
gonna
band,
get to
you
the
go,
other
you
side.
go work a
Oh, we do
sweat.
have to do this. I don't. You know what?
You can't be
Alex is
lopsided.
like, we got to even it out,
I'm
Alex.
gonna do
Come
the
on.
non-lazy girl thing.
Okay.
All right. After we do
Oh.
a couple of these, you want to
And
take us to
then-
a seated row?
We're gonna get into a seated row. Last one. Let's go ahead and sit
Okay.
up. All right, from here, legs can stay extended.
There we go.
We'll reset. And normally, like if you do, like Marisol was saying, if you have weights at home, feel free to use them. But if you're like, you know what, absolutely not, extend the legs out. You're gonna make a fist, create that tension, and then just pull the hands in, fully extend out. There we go. And again, I always like to say we could do a lot with a little, right? So even if you
right.
have a little bit of time,
Tanisha, you keep doing
a
this.
little bit of space.
We're going to post these workouts over on our page at pix11.com. Thank you so much for joining us,
Thank
T. It is a
you.
pleasure to see you.